Hey guys, Dr. Sam, Newton Chiropractic. Today's video we're going to be talking about a few myths about chiropractic and chiropractic care. I thought this was a hoot researching this topic, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Now the first myth we're going to talk about with chiropractic care is that chiropractors only work on backs. Well, that's not true. We're trained to adjust and do other soft tissue therapies to shoulders, knees, hips, feet, hands. I work on a ton of shoulders and hips here all day long at Newton Chiropractic Clinic. And so definitely chiropractors are trained to work on much more than just backs. Now, second myth we're going to talk about today, guys, is that the chiropractic adjustment is painful. Now, it's not painful at all. Often people actually, it is pain relieving for them. And once they get adjusted, they feel so much better. All that spinal tension is released. They can move better, and it usually relieves quite a bit of their symptoms just almost instantly like that. Next myth we're going to talk about is that chiropractic care is not supported by scientific evidence. Well, that's simply not true. There's numerous studies that talk about chiropractic manipulations or adjustments being very effective for treating neck pain, low back pain, headaches, as well as several other different things. So if you're suffering from any of these things, definitely seeking out the advice and treatment of a chiropractor is a good route to go. Myth number 4, guys, we're going to talk about is once you go to the chiropractor, you have to continuously go forever. Well, that's simply not true. A lot of people continue to go after their problems are resolved just to continue wellness care, maintenance care, to keep that condition at bay and allow them to live their life to their fullest. So obviously not mandatory to go forever 2, 3, 4 times a week or something crazy like that you'll hear. It's just simply not true. All right, guys, the last myth I'm going to talk about is that chiropractors are not real doctors. Now, this one ruffles a ton of people's feathers, and really, to me, it just kind of makes me laugh because what do you mean a real doctor? There's all sorts of people that have doctorates. I myself have a doctorate in chiropractic. Your veterinarian is a doctor. Your dentist, your pharmacist, many of the professors at your college have doctorates. Just because we don't have a doctor of medicine degree, that does not mean that we're not real doctors. We go through quite a rigorous training at our school in our doctorate program, including a lot of anatomy, physiology, neurology, and hours of hands-on care on how to manipulate the spine, a lot of soft tissue work, functional movement training. And so we do have real doctorates. We're just not medical doctors. And so people tend to get a little upset about that one. All right, guys, hopefully you found those myths on chiropractic fun and insightful and educational. And be sure to watch out for our other upcoming videos. Thanks.